Hello students of Standard 9. In Standard 8, you learn in detail about rational numbers. Then after, let's revise what are rational numbers. Those numbers which can be present in P by Q form, they are called rationals. Here condition is denominator should be not 0 and both P and Q must be integer. Example of rational number is 3 by 4. Numerator, denominator. Here something more about rational in standard 9 is you have to understand the term non-terminating but recurring. Now what is non-terminating and recurring? Let's understand this with one example. Here 1 upon 3. So 1 is divided by 3. For that we have to take decimal point and 0 and then I start division, and you can see in question this 3 is repeated and remainder never becomes 0. So if remainder is not 0, it is called non-terminating. And in question, if one number is continuously repeated, it is called recurring. So another type of rational number in which non-terminating and recurring numbers are there. Here you should remember this point also, that number which is continuously repeating is written only one time, and on the top or above the number we have to put point or bar, that line which we call bar. So 0.3 bar, that means this 3 is repeating, and you can mention with one dot. So in this type of rational number, if one number is repeating, you can put dot. Not necessarily every time only one number repeating, sometimes 2, 3, 4. So those numbers which are continuously repeating, you should put dot or whole bar. Suppose numbers are repeating like 1.234, then 234, like that. So we need not to put dot on all three, but you can write starting number and then last number. This way also you can represent this recurring. Now second type of number is irrational number. Which numbers are considered as irrational? So here the term is non-terminating and non-recurring. Which type of number is this kind? All prime numbers square. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So these numbers square root. Or easy example is, suppose I am taking one decimal number in which numbers are not repeating. 2, 1, then 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. So here 1 is not repeating, it is 21, 2, 1, 1, 2, triple 1, then next number is 2, 4 times 1, 1, then 2, 5 times 1, 1. So these are not recurring. These are non-recurring number. Because 1 is there, then here also only 1 should be there. So this type of number. One more example. You can see here 4, 5. Then 4, 6. 4 is repeating, but with 4, what is here? 5. Then 6. So this is called non-recurring. This kind of number is called irrational number. I hope you easily differentiate now rational and irrational. Let's understand how we represent irrational number on number line. For that, first let's understand about Pythagoras theorem. This theorem is applied on right angle triangle. Suppose there is one right triangle ABC in which angle B is 90, then AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Here AC is considered as hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to sum of square of those two sides which make 90-degree angle. Now here AB has 1 and BC is also 1. So put this value in this formula and you get AC square as 2. Now how you find AC from AC square? You can take square root both the side and we obtain AC as root 2. So our first irrational number root 2 on number line can represent with this Pythagoras theorem. For that you should draw a simple straight line. Then on this line one point is taken as 0 and this 0 represent one point as O. So one point indicate number 0 and this number name is O. Here we have to take 1 unit. Now this 1 unit is not necessarily 1 centimeter. It is your convenient measurement, either 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, that is 1 unit. For convenience you can take 2 centimeter as 1 unit. So on scale 0 and at 2 centimeter point consider 1 unit, and that one number is also represented with a point A. So here capital A is for number 1. You can say OA equal to 1. Then we have to draw 90-degree angle. So this straight line for 90-degree angle is done, or it can be taken as two type of instrument in your geometry box. One is very common, protractor. Put your protractor here and then at 90 you can take one dot and draw one straight line. Or another method is this type of set square. You can put your set square here. This horizontal line is properly put at 1 unit and then draw one straight line, and here you can take 1 unit as OA. OA measurement as 1 unit and that point is B. So OA is 1 and AB is also 1. Then join OB. So you have this hypotenuse OB as root 2. How root 2? By Pythagoras theorem. 1 square plus 1 square, it is 2 square and its square root is root 2. So here OB is root 2. And this root 2 measurement is taken with this divider, and then draw one arc on number line which cut at one point, that is root 2, and give that number one more name, one more point. It is AB and here C. So here you can say OC